Hey everybody, it's Cheyenne, your 4-H agent here. Now we promised you after the club meeting that we would have some videos just as helpful tutorial reminders for you. So the ornament we're going to talk about right now are our glitter ornaments. And I know you guys have seen these, you've made these, at least one of these by now, and how pretty they are. So they only take a few seconds. You only need a few things to make these. You're going to need some Mop and Glow. You're going to need a cup, glitter, your ornaments. Now I went and got us the 10 for $4, so make sure you check your prices. Make sure that the glass ones work a little better than the plastic doing this, so you're going to want glass for this. And be very careful because we are working with glass. I'm just going to go ahead and say that. So I'm going to go ahead, I got some big ones to demonstrate with, so it'd be easier to see. And the first thing you've got to do is very carefully take the top off the ornament or this won't work. And there we go. I'm going to set that to the side. And we've got to start with the Mop and Glow. You don't need a lot, and I'm going to do this over the cup because if you drip, that's okay. You don't need a lot, but you've got to kind of work quickly. If you get this on your hands are going to get kind of stuck together possibly. It's a wax and remover, and it acts like glue in here. It acts like a really shiny glue, and that's what helps keep the glitter attached to the inside of the bulb and what makes it look so nice. So if you had tried this with paint, it would not work the same. All right, I'm going to go ahead and I'm to the end. I've definitely thoroughly swirled it into the bulb here, and you've got to work quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and start pouring some glitter in there over the cup so I don't make too much of a mess, right? And I think I need to probably find a way to do this faster. And make sure when you put it in, that you swirl it around and that you work quickly to get it in there. And then when you're done, after you get it all in there and the entire inside of the ball is covered in glitter, and I do like, there are two types of glitter. There's a really powdery glitter, kind of like this, and then there's one that's more flaky, and I really like working with the powdery one better. It just seems to cover a little nicer. So yes, I'm trying to do this over the cup so I don't make too much of a mess, but I'm going to tell you I'm making a mess. It's part of the fun. So put some newspaper down, something like that. Notice that when it gets, and it's sticking, you can tell it's already sticking to the ball. And if you want to switch colors, you can do that. They don't have to be the same color. You can put in some red and some silver. Just realize there's no way to do stripes or things like that because you can't guarantee how it's going to spread in there. So you just put it in and then shake it. But that's it. And then when you get done putting it in, you're going to rest it upside down like that on the cup. Let everything dry. Let any excess come out into the cup. I'd say give these about 2 hours to dry, and then you can go back in, put the top back on, and you've got your ornament. You've got your pretty, pretty ornament.